note down my suggestions, because during the course of our doctorate studies, okay, we have discussed plenty of things about research methodology, writing of the report, and all the sequence to be followed, and the technicalities to be go through, technicalities to be understood. Because okay, you can speak the things verbally, no problem at all, but no, writing it down, okay, it's very difficult. Okay, what I mean to say that ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀರಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, okay, with a meaningful way ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that becomes quite difficult. That is, I mean to say that quite normal among the adolescent people, or the people or the students of early age generally. Okay, because of the lack of the reading, lack of the comprehension, lack of the confidence, and even I can say lack of your intention or purpose to write. Okay, why to write, what to write, what's the use of writing it, what's the use of noting it down like that. Okay, now the things are going to change, because people should know what is called as documentation. That's what exactly the company is also expecting. People should know about documentation. Whatever that you do, whatever that you read, whatever that you perceive to be documented properly. Documentation gives you discipline. Documentation gives you discipline. Okay, you can look at my YouTube channel. That is my purpose of why I'm creating this online content. Okay, to imbibe a kind of discipline among myself, so that at any point of time, even I can refer myself. Okay, to what an extent I did right, or what an extent I did wrong. Okay, nobody is perfect. Nobody is 100% perfect. Okay, even we do mistakes, we do errors. Okay, in spite of so much of the kind of experience, the spending of time, and the reading, and the effort, and the education and all, we do commit mistakes, and we do commit errors and all. That's quite common. Okay, but to rectify, okay, you need to follow some kind of disciplinary procedures, and that's what exactly research teaches you. Okay, research and the documentation teaches you about the discipline of, okay, documenting your work. Now, when you say, okay, project writing, or what is called as this project report, this is about your kind of unique experience with regard to a business problem. If you ask me a question, according to me, I may differ with other people. I don't mind, but still, what according to me is to say that to do a research, or to go for this such kind of projects and all, okay, the companies and all, first you need to identify what problem identification. As the first stage. You take any business firm, you take any organization, you take either manufacturing industry or service industry, or whatever it could be, whatever may be the area, Not only business area. Okay, maybe it is science, engineering, medicine, okay, languages, whatever it could be. At each and every area, each and every the kind of subject and the concepts, okay, they have their own what is called as inherent kind of problems. Inherent kind of problems. It could be challenges too. But the thing is that all these challenges are time bounded. All these challenges are time bounded, needs to be addressed in time. Need to be addressed in time. In time means to say that, okay, specific time, not to be delayed. Otherwise, okay, your things may turn to be upside down. Your ships, your whole purpose of okay, into the business, okay, into any kind of such activities may give you wrong results. Negative kind of the things, decline may happen. And in order to safeguard yourself, okay, against some such kind of problems, you need to be, first thing is that everything should be documented. You should have a mind of kind of what is called as reasoning and analytics. And first you find the problem, you select any area, you subject any subject, okay, among all the subjects, what say, see, how many subjects you're going to study in these 3 years? Can anybody tell me how many subjects that you're going to study, okay, in these 3 years of your undergraduation? How many subjects? Can anybody count and tell me?
36, sir.
36, sir.
35,
sir. 35.
35 or 36 subjects. Okay, let me take the upper side only. 36 subjects. And if you say 36 subjects, okay, you select any one subject, business subject of your importance, of your choice, of your most loved one, and out of this subject, select one broad area, and in that broad area, try to relate or try to concern your whole interest to address any of the problem associated with that. Okay, let me, as I'm very much fond of teaching marketing subjects, HR subjects, and the statistics and methodology. Finance, I'm not bit exposed, but I can apply okay, all the statistical tools to any of the finance topic. Any of the finance topic, you give it to me, I can analyze the problem and I can give you the statistical result. Okay, we'll try to get that particular problem, and you need to frame that problem in the form of a title statement. First thing that what exactly you need to do. Stage number one, identify the problem. Formulate a title. Formulate a title I can say a title which describes your problem. Now, see, research is also collaborative work, and probably you will be divided into groups, and that's what exactly people are thinking about, collaborative learning. Okay, if you go for different theories of learning, collaborative, there is a kind called as collaborative learning, anta, learning together. Okay, probably you'll be divided into groups. I'm not sure about how exactly it's going to be executed, because I'm not the authority on that. And according to my knowledge, dividing you people into groups is the best one to continue. Okay, because you can share the work. Somebody can identify the problem and form the title, and somebody can study about it's the historical the kind of existences. Somebody can go to field and collect the data. Yeah, hello.
Sir, ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ sir group already.
Okay, fine then.
Sir.
Sanjan?
And it's
Yes, sir.
projects.
Hello.
ಹೇಳಿ sir.
Yeah, ಏನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Sir, ಎಲ್ಲ group ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ sir.
Okay, that's the best one. That's what exactly.
Samson
Sir, individual project.
Okay, individual project. Okay, then that's what I said. I'm not the authority on that. Okay, groups ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and you need to submit it. You need to go for individual projects. Okay, fine then, no problem. Yeah, all the entire work should be done by you only. The entire
Sir,
work. Hello.
Sir, it is an individual project, sir. Guides are, I mean, one guide has given 10 people. That kind of group they have made.
Okay, fine. Okay, I don't know who are all there in my group.
Yes, sir.
I'm not yet informed about who are all there in my side. Okay, who are the kind of 10 people who gets the allotment allotted to me, definitely I'll guide in the all possible best manner, how to prepare a report. Okay, I don't know who are all there in my side. Okay, who are all allotted, I don't have any idea in that regard, but I'm just giving you a framework, a skeleton, I can say. First one, identify the problem and formulate the title which describes your problem. Now, okay, any one of you, because I said, okay, in order to continue with this project report and report writing and the research and all, okay, you need to be more interactive, open-minded. Okay, that's what exactly it is very much required. Now, can anybody tell me, okay, out of your 36 subjects, okay, which is your favorite subject, and in that favorite subject, okay, which is your favorite topic? Can anybody identify that? Among the 36, exclude the languages, because languages, we are not the authorities on to speak on languages. Excluding languages, okay, with regard to only the core business papers I'm talking about. Okay, can you mention your the most loved subject? Anybody in the group? How many are there? Yeah, tell me.
Sir, it seems that the project topic should be taken on the respective specialization, sir. So the finance student should take finance topics, and the marketing student should
Okay,
only
that's
take marketing.
fine. Okay, finance, I'm not the right authority to comment. Okay, with regard to HR and marketing, anybody? Okay, HR and marketing. Okay, if you say, okay, what is your favorite topic either in HR or marketing? Any of the marketing and HR specializations can talk about that. Can give me an idea. Can anybody tell me HR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ the kind of the one which has created an impulse in your heart? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು this should be explored ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಅನ್ಸಿರೋದು ಇದೆಯಾ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು? This particular idea, this particular concept to be explored more. ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು, to be studied more about this concept ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಅನ್ಸಿರೋದು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? HR and marketing students ಗೆ. Finance ಗೆ I am not the authority. Okay, because my specialization is not finance. Okay, I'm specialized in both HR and marketing, dual specialization, and I did my doctorate in marketing and brand management, and I published several papers, several articles, and even I'm working on some of the HR and marketing concepts. Okay, that's that's the other side of it. But you tell me now, HR and marketing, any of the title that you're most interested? Based on that, I can formulate all the different stages till the conclusion. I'll give you the complete skeleton. Any one title. ನೀವು ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಾನು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Any title in HR and marketing. Just give me the title. I'll go on speaking on that title, okay, for more than an hour. Any title? Hello? HR ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಟು ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್. ಹಲೋ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? HR ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಲೋ, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್? ಹಲೋ, nobody is responding.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಏನೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸರ್ ನಮ್ದು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ಸರ್,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಎನಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ. I'll try. Okay, Sanjan, I will try to guide you. Okay, just give me some time. First I'll take up the feedback from marketing student. Yaradhu marketing, any marketing student? Any marketing student?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
who is there?
For me, to marketing.
Pradeepta. Yeah, Pradeepta. Okay, you have to be there okay till the end of the discussion, because okay, I'm going to interact with you till the end of the complete 1 hour. Okay, even I take a bit more also, don't mind, because the things to be completed at a stretch, and the whole skeleton, okay, can be applied to all reports, whether it's finance, marketing, and HR. The skeleton is same. Okay, the skeleton is same, the draft is same, the outline is same, but the inner things are going to be changed. That's it. Pradeepta, you tell me what is your most interested topic in marketing?
Sir, on the top of my head, advertising, sir.
Okay, advertising is your advertising is your interested topic, correct? Advertising. Yeah. Now, if you say advertising, the market, the complete market today, the business market especially, okay, is an rapid change. Is in a rapid change, right? Advertising, okay, now it is an industry. Today we call it as advertising is not a field. Advertising is an industry. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now advertising, you said advertising with regard to one kind of a product or one kind of a service. Now you tell me, advertising with regard to what product? Which is the broad area of the product you are thinking about? Advertising and the product, you tell me.
Sir, you could pick consumer goods only, fast moving consumer goods.
Yeah, consumer goods, correct? Impact of celebrity advertisements on consumer goods. There are several celebrities, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
There are several celebrities. Celebrities could be from the area of the film, from the area of sports. Now you focus. Okay, I'm just guiding you, and there's a problem. Okay, whether all these celebrities and their endorsements are going to give you the result or not, whether the company is getting the benefit, whether the consumers are oriented just because of the celebrity endorsements, whether they're influenced to purchase a goods. Now, what is your favorite product? Consumer, among the consumer goods, so tell me one product name.
Sir, any fruit juice?
Fruit juice, right? Okay, consumers, fruit juice. Okay, who is can you tell me? Okay, there is one advertisement recently coming, okay, with this Kareena Kapoor or so. She's endorsing one kind of juice, okay, one kind of some kind of energy drink because of this corona and all. I am not getting that particular ad. Okay, you can just look at the television. Can anybody mention? Kareena Kapoor is endorsing one health drink. Okay, she comes slim. Okay, stands quite the kind of in a very optimistic mood and present the drink and say that okay, this is going to improve your energy, health, and all. Okay, can you remember that ad? Kareena Kapoor. Anybody? TV node make at least advertisements go TV node. Okay, fine, that's fine. Now, okay, forget about any drink for that matter. I want to know whether this particular ad or advertisements are influencing the buyers. I want to study this is a problem. See, companies are investing more and more on these advertisements. Whether these advertisements are giving right kind of return on their investments. They're investing more on the celebrities. If this Virat Kohli comes and endorses a product with regard to maybe a kind of fitness, maybe a kind of health drink, maybe a kind of what is called as fitness equipment or any automobile or all, whether the celebrities are really influencing the people or it is just a kind of show off. What is this exactly? I want to know. And you can suggest the companies that celebrities investing on celebrities and advertisements, okay, is a waste of money. Rather than you can do something else. Now you can select impact of celebrity advertisements on the promotion of consumer goods. You can write down this statement. Impact, or I can say the study of celebrity endorsements okay, Limca. One second, Pradipta. Manjesh, you are listening to me? Manjesh? Hello, unmute yourself, man. Hello, Manjesh. Matarta illa Manjesh. Yeah, Manjesh. Okay. Kareena Kapoor ad ಕೊಡ್ತಾರದು ಲಿಮ್ಕಾದೇನಾ? ಲಿಮ್ಕಾ and Tetley green tea. Is it right? Okay, that's fine. Nanu, yeah, good then. Nanu advertisement noಡ್ತೀನಿ and okay, I see Kareena Kapoor also. That's fine. That's the other aspect. That's on the lighter side, I can say. And this Tetley green tea, okay, we use and all what is called as going to say the fiber content and the food. Okay, I consume it lot, and this is celebrity. Endorsement. The study of celebrity endorsements on consumer durables. With special reference to Tetley green tea.
ಸರ್
Ah,
ಸರ್ ಸಾರಿ ಟು ಇಂಟರಪ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಬಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ HR ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಡೀಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋನು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನಂತಾರೋ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆದರಿಕೆ, ಒಂದು ರಿಲಾಕ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ದಿರೋರು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. I can speak on finance, I can speak on marketing, I can speak on HR, I can speak on several things. But ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರಿಲಾಕ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸರ್ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ HOD ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನಂದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಅದೇ ನನಗೂ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಹೇಳು.
ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಆಯ್ತು. ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. I'll take up the finance also, no problem. Okay, with special reference to, okay, what is green tea? Deepta, you're listening?
Yes, sir.
Now this is your area. You are studying the impact of advertisements given by this Kareena Kapoor and green tea. Now you want to do either you can go with this Google form or a survey, or okay, you can talk to your friends and get the questionnaire done, the references. Okay, how many people consume green tea? Okay, is it because of only Kareena Kapoor's advertisement? Okay, how oftenly you go for purchasing green tea, whether the consumption of green tea has improved his health, like that. Okay, there are several ways. Okay, if you approach me, I can help you how to formulate some 5 or 10 different kind of questions, and you can just circulate it on online by making use of Google form and get the data, and either you can represent it by using any of the diagrams or any of the statistical tools, and then you can prepare. Now this is how exactly an example goes. Now immediately after the title, okay, you need to write what is called an abstract. Okay, one abstract, one paragraph introduction ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ತ. Okay, this is applicable for everything. Okay, whether it's finance or HR or marketing, ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವ್ ಏನು ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಪ್ ಟು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ 300 words ಇಂದ 500 words ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. 300 words to 500 words. One abstract, one introductory words, one introductory statement. Green tea ಏನು, Kareena Kapoor ಯಾರು, ಇದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, like that you just go on introducing it. Okay, after that whoever the in charge of your guide, ಯಾರು ಟೀಚರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, and they will identify the sentence corrections, ಆಮೇಲೆ what is called editing work and all, they'll help you. Okay, ಯಾರು 10 members ಅಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು 500 words ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಆ 500 words ನೀವು ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we will correct it and we will rectify it. And once you write the introduction 500 words, okay, just go on what is called as dividing your whole work into say some 4 to 5 chapters. Divide complete work complete the report into 4 or 5 chapters. First chapter already I've begun with introduction barita kutidiralva. Okay, unit number 1 or chapter 1 number 1. Chapter 1 number 1. Okay, it speaks purely about advertisements and introduction to advertisements. Introduction to ads in a very broad sense. Okay, now we introduce ads, and before that, before going to the ads, you need to speak something about promotions, marketing promotions, promotional strategy. Promotional strategy ಬಗ್ಗೆ at least ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, ನಾನು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, I'll just complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, unit number 1 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. Rest of the things okay ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ there is something called as ಐಡಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳಿದೀರಾ? ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡೋದು? Who teaches you advertisement specialization?
Anita ma'am, sir.
Okay, ಐಡಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it is awareness, interest, desire, and action.
Yeah, there is this is a cycle of advertisements, awareness, how to create awareness. Okay, and all these things. Okay, there are 4 dimensions to make your advertisement successful. To make your advertisement successful, to make advertisement okay most influencing, okay, it has to go through this cycle anta theory ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಐಡಿಯಾ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಿಟರೇಚರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, based on this, okay, you need to write the introduction to your problem statement. Next, introduction ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ okay there okay you need to write about say some 3 or 4 objectives of your study. Why you are studying objectives? Okay, you can keep your objectives maximum 3. Okay, attention, interest, desire, and this is a cycle, Clinton. Okay, this cycle is to no, this cycle can decide the effectiveness of advertisement strategies. Okay, effectiveness of advertisements. Am I right? Okay, am I right? To judge, to measure the effectiveness of advertisements, okay, you need to have this AIDA cycle. Am I right, man? Am I right, man? Clinton? Hello? Yeah. Yes. Once you complete this introduction, there you need to have some 3 objectives. Why you need to study this? Okay, which age group you are going to study, which gender you are going to study. You are going to study okay this only on the younger generation, only on the adolescents. Okay, like that. Okay, you decide the age group of study, and based on that, okay, formulate your objectives. Okay, your guides or the teacher in charges will help you to formulate these objectives at the later point of time. And after okay, once you write the objectives, okay, then you have to start, you have to mention about the limitations of your study. Okay, every study is not foolproof. Okay, ನೀವೇನು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ತಾವು, you are focusing only this okay limca ಅಥವಾ green tea ಏನೋ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. And what are the limitations of your study? Okay, your confinements, your boundaries, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Then you can close your chapter 1, and chapter 1 may be maximum okay 5 to 10 pages. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. 5 to 10 pages chapter 1, and next you are going for chapter 2. Okay, project report. And if you say chapter 2, that is about, okay, studying of the literature. Literature study on advertisements. Literature study in advertisements, because okay, there is plenty of literature that is available online and on advertisements. Okay, probably Karana Kapoor and Limca ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಂಡಲಿ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸುಮಾರು ಇದಾವೆ. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಪಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2021 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಾವು, ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2 or 3 years ನಲ್ಲಿ say some 20 okay of such reviews. 20 of such reviews. Okay, you have to collect and review and write. Okay, one review means one paragraph. One review means one paragraph on that writing. One paragraph writing. Okay, 20 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ hardly it comes to what is called as 10 pages. Unit 1, say maximum 10 pages. Unit 2, okay, it can go up to 10 to 20 pages. Okay, like that. There is a constraint also, because okay, somewhere around 80 pages ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರೆ report is fine. ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬುಕ್ ತರ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾಭಾರತದ ತರ. Okay, now it is 10 pages. Now unit number 2 or chapter 2 is on literature. Next, okay, profile study anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Profile of, one second, profile of your product. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಟೀ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀನ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ತ, ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಟೀ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಟೀ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂತು, ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನೇನಾಯ್ತು ಅದರದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಸಮ್ 15-20 pages. Okay, profile of a product. And even you can have a bit of study on the profile of your the celebrity you have taken. This way you are taking the celebrity endorsements. Okay, I said Karina, maybe somebody else maybe also doing on this. Okay, like that you write it. Okay, and once you complete this profile, next you can go on what is called as, this is chapter 3. Chapter 3 is profile. Now chapter 4 is data analysis and interpretation. There are lot many ways to write this chapter. Okay, there are lot many ways. Statistics ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, say find a bar chart, pie chart, and there are from descriptive statistics, mean, median, mean calculations ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನ ಫೈನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡತಾರ. And this will be helped by your concerned the guide, what type of data to be used, what type of analysis to be used, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Your complete work, you'll be having a hefty work in writing chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. And chapter 4, okay, this is chapter 4 data. Chapter 4 data will be guided by your concerned teacher. Next, chapter 5 is conclusion. That's it, whether it is impacted or not impacted, and you can just findings and closing. Chapter 5 Chapter 5, findings and conclusion. Findings, suggestions, and conclusion. This is the end of your report, and you can submit it.
Sir,
Pradeep,
what's
sir?
bibliography, sir?
Yeah, bibliography, it comes. Bibliography is there. Bibliography, you have to add it in the end. Okay, that need not be considered as a separate chapter. You can call it as annexure. Okay, what are all the references that you have taken? Okay, you can consider it as a chapter 6, or even you can call it as a separate annexure. Okay, you can add it. It's left to you. Okay, whether you can, your guide may say that, okay, chapter 6 na bibliography tagoli anta helbodu. Okay, illa annexures anna tagonda tara maadi anta bekare helbodu, and this is the end of your report. Pradeepta, understood?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, ಹೇಳಿ sir ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ sir bibliography.
ಬಿಬ್ಲಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಐಡಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಹಲೋ ಯಶವಂತ್,
ಹಾ ಸರ್,
ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಜರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಐಡಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾನೇನೋ ಒಂದ್ ಬುಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಓದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಥರ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಒನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್. ಆ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಡ್ಯೂ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಿಬ್ಲಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ದ ಐಡಾ ಸೈಕಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ, ಅಥವಾ ಓಕೆ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ, ಓಕೆ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬೈ. ಈ ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಇದಿದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. APS ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇ. ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ APS ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ APS ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್. APS ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. APS ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I will continue another 10 or 15 minutes more. Okay, because this is my last class and I have to address Sanjan also. Otherwise, he'll be unhappy with me. Okay, Sanjan, please, okay, bear with me. I'll come to your point very shortly after answering this Yashwantra's question. Okay, APS style al baribeku always. Okay, almost all the universities across the world, I can tell you. Okay, APS style is accepted. Okay, American Psychological Association ಒಂದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ there is a way, there is a chance, and you can do it very easily, not so difficult at all. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. We call it as referencing style. Okay, understood, Yashwant?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Pradeepta, okay, I think now we got clarified with your different chapter titles and what to be done, and the questionnaire designing beku antandre, okay, your guide will definitely help you to formulate the questions, and you can just circulate it in the Google form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಾರ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್, ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I will definitely help you if you approach me. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I'll that's it, Pradeepta. Fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Sir. Yeah. Now Sanjan, I'm coming to your point.
Sir.
I'll continue for another 10-15 minutes. Okay. Warning from my wife. 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Okay. 1 second. I'll drink a cup of water.
ಸರ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, no problem. I'll continue. Nandu, I'll just continue so that all of the finance students can listen to me. Okay, now you tell me which is your most favorite topic in finance.
ಸರ್ ನಾ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ದೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
What is that? Come again.
ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಅದೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡೇಟಾನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಇದು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಆ ತರ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತಾನು ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗೋ ತರ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ,
ಟೋಟಲ್ 24 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 24 ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೇಳಿದೀರಾ? ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
Finance, sir. Finance.
Okay, fine. Okay, cryptocurrency. Oh man, cryptocurrency. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Wait. Okay, first I'll talk to Sanjan and then I'll then come to you. Okay, I may continue a bit further. Please bear with me for another few more minutes so that I can address your finance issues also. See, there is something called as financial trends, and in due to the pandemic and all such disturbances, the chaos which because of this corona and all, it is better to go for secondary data when it comes to your finance students. Illa antandre ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಡೇಟಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನೀವು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಟ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನ? ಒನ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಲಾಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪೇಜಸ್, ಅದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ನೀನು ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡೇಟಾ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಂದ ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನೇನಕ್ಕೆ? ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟಾ? ಟ್ರೆಷರಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಓಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಯಾ, ನಾವ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಒಂದು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಜರಾಯಿ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್,
ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಲ್ಲನಪ್ಪ? ಈಗ if you visit this particular website, okay, where but now Rohini Sindari is the in charge of this particular the department, and she is the the MD of that particular idu alli for the past 10 years ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್, ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡು. ಆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲೋಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟಾ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್. And you can also say that whether all these fund allocations are rightly utilized or not. Okay, whether they were quite useful in what is called as renovating the temples, or making the things what is called as more decorative, more attractive, improvements ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನೋ ಓದ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಹಿಣಿ ಸಿಂಧೂರಿ. Okay, I'm a great fan of Rohini Sindhuri. I'm just telling it on live. Okay, because of her transparency, because of the boldness, and because of the kind of the righteous characters, okay, she is exhibited. Okay, yava politicians ellanu ontara don't believe the politicians and the political statements, and she is the right courage officer. Okay, she is officer andre hangirbeku. Okay, I was reading something about this. Yellow Hasanalli, there was a temple ante. Okay, that was lying unnoticed. Okay, for some 2 to 3 decades anta. Ee treasury bills indane when she was the DC of that Hasan district. Okay, 30 lakh rupees tagondo our temple na, okay, she is renovated, helped to renovate to such an extent that, okay, that temple today, some Venkateshwara temple also, that temple now today attracts the tourists whoever visits Hasan and the nearby places. Temple ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. There is a concept called as temple tourism, heritage tourism, destination tourism. Temples, tourism and economy, it is related. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೆಷರಿ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ and how exactly the economy is being contributed, whether okay these okay allocation of bills to what is called as these temples and all, whether it has created any impact or not, adana study madak agutte, provided if you get the secondary data. Nin data tagondu ನನಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ I can guide you.
Okay sir.
Yeah, right. Okay,
sir,
ಇದು one way. This is one way. Okay, hello,
yes,
this
yes,
is
sir.
one way, focusing on secondary data. Hello Sanjan,
Yes sir, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 30 ಲಕ್ಷ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 30 lakh rupees was allocated to the renovation of the temple ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay, that can be information ತಗೋಬಹುದು. It's not a big deal. Okay, if you go and meet Roni Sindhuri and the department there in Bangalore, or okay, you can call or okay send a friend request to Roni Sindhuri's Facebook page. Okay, that's not easy, and you can introduce yourself and you can continue with that. Okay, 30 lakh rupees na okay ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಓಕೆ ಅದರ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಆ ಹಾಸನ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಜನರನ್ನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರು okay, you can complete your project. Simple focus, one treasury bill, one allotment of 30 lakh rupees, how efficiently it is utilized. You can submit a report. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಲೋಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಹಾಸನ್ಗೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಸ್ ಸಂಜಯ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ? ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ? ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದು
Sir,
ಯಾ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ.
Sir, what about what I told you, cryptocurrencies?
Yeah. You do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Yours is also finance, correct?
Yes, sir.
I will give you one particular topic. Okay, you
Okay, sir.
study automobile industry and their financial performance in the during COVID-19 situation.
Okay, sir. Could you please write it in the chat box, sir?
One second. Financial performance of Maruti Suzuki I'm just taking this example, Maruti Suzuki during COVID-19 pandemic. A study. For this, where you will get the data? If you ask me, you just go to Maruti Suzuki website and you study. Okay, it's what is called a share price for the past 2 years, 1920,
Okay,
2021, 21-22. Okay, 2 or 3 years. Okay, data you can take, and pre-COVID, COVID-19 and post-COVID-19. You can have a comparative study. Pre-COVID, 2 years. Pre-COVID, during COVID, and post-COVID. You can have a comparative study. It all sorry, one second. It all depends on your data. And only thing is, okay, you need to allocate yourself. Say that, okay, 17, 18, 18, 19, okay, 2 years, 19, 20, 20, 21, another 2 years, 21, 22, okay, 1 more year, okay, or you can just say that 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20, 21. Okay, likewise here you divide pre-COVID which year, okay, during COVID which year, post-COVID which year, like that you study and you get all the data on month-wise.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you will get entire data in the website www.moneycontrol.com. www.moneycontrol.com. You get the data, arrange the data on year-wise. Okay, 17, 19, 18, 19, okay, from January to December, like that. Okay, you arrange all the data in the chronological order. You arrange all the data in chronological order. And then you meet me. I'll tell you how to, okay, do the analysis, how to fit a trend line. Okay, just by using Excel, you can have the trend line year-wise. And where was the dip and where was the peak and when it was decreased, and you just go on explaining it. And for that, you need to introduce the COVID-19 also, okay, in your chapters. As the chapter goes on, okay, you need to have the title and then abstract and then introduction and then profile of okay, Maruti Suzuki. And also you should introduce what is this COVID-19. Okay, you have to write something about this COVID-19 also, and then secondary data collection, okay, analysis, interpretation, findings, conclusion, and if something is going wrong, okay, Maruti Suzuki is not doing so well today because this is pandemic. Okay, look at the share price of Maruti Suzuki during 16, 17, and so it was somewhere around 9,000 or 10,000. Now it is just drastically come down. What's the present Suzuki's share price today? Can anybody tell me quickly? Sarfan, tell me what is Suzuki's share price today? I did not check for the past 6 months. Maruti Suzuki share price today, as of now.
Sir, 7,057.
ಅದು ಹತ್ರ 9,000 ಇತ್ತು ಕಣ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ನಾನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ. ಓಕೆ,
56 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ.
26 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, sir, lunch time. Okay, fine then. Shall I close it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, any other questions you have? Okay, you can write to me. Okay, you can chat with me, and okay, you can contact me, no problem. Okay, fine, Manjesh, for remembering me. Okay, even lunchtime for me too. Fine. Okay, I think no more questions. Rakshita, you have decided about your project?
Sir, I have selected few topics, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Good then. If you need any assistance, you call me.
Yes, sir, I will.
Anybody else? Anybody else who require my help, my assistance, my help in selecting the topic or whatever it could be? Okay, you can call me. That's it. Bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. What about Samson?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Samson ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?